Vatiele miei 13 usakwani munene vanthi ya Kenya utwaiwe President William Ruto ni wotongwete kwa nguma na kati wani mutongwe wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka uni kwa nane kundia kweka ukunikili ya Infotrak kwa na Infotrak President William Ruto atongwete kana ena wati wa kilungu cha miongo 3 na ile yulu wa yana Kalonzo Musyoka akakwata kilungu cha 13 yulu wa yana na keseneta wa kaunti Ilovi Edwin Sifuna na Fred Matiang'i makakwatiani ya kilungu cha na ile yulu wajana otondo mwaka mweu kutuelesia
kwena nano kunikiliu wa Infotrak ni kana unyuvani ukatwaiwa umundi vaimuteti ukwata usindi wa imwe kwa imwe Valawi sianesia na mausungi oma unyuvani wa ngilili miongweli na ile President Ruto ila wakwatie kilungu cha miongo 5 na umwe yulu wajana nguma siake yu ni olekete na kilungu cha 19 yulu wajana na Valawi na wate iwa kilungu cha miongo 3 na ile yulu wajana.
President William Ruto has a lead, and I would say commanding lead compared to the rest of 32% as the person who Kenyans would vote for if elections were held within that particular time. He's followed a distance with the former Vice President, Kalonzo Musyoka, at 13%. Then there is a tie. There's a tie between Edwin Sifuna, Nairobi Senator, and Dr. Fred Matiang'i, who polled 12% respectively.
Wangapi wanasema one term? Wangapi wanasema one term? Aende asiende?
Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka akamwate ya President Ruto ena nguma sia kilungu cha 13 yulu wajana hakati wa kwava kuvene senator wa county ya Ilovi Edwin Sifuna alawe na kilungu cha 11 yulu wajana emwamba na munini wa mutongoi chamane cha Jubilee Fred Matiang'i. Ukunikili weonania kana utalo munene wate imao lei mekwatamba umutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka avevelu chekivevelo changwa atanio ino ya ulei na keseneta wa kaunti Ilovi ajithi wa emunini wake echo kilungu cha 16 yulu wajana kikwatamba tikiti wa Kalonzo Musyoka na Fred Matiang'i vala tikiti ya Kalonzo Musyoka na Rigathi Gachagua tena wati wa kilungu cha 5 yulu wajana.
Alafu huyo basi mmempangaje?
Kwena na Infotrak ni kana nguma sia chama cha ODM ni thete vala chama cha UDA kina wati wa kilungu cha miongweli na ile yulu wajana na kwatiwa kwa vaguveni chama cha ODM na kilungu cha miongweli na imwe yulu wajana vala chama cha DCP kina kilungu cha kenda yulu wajana chama cha Wiper kikakwata kilungu cha 5 yulu wajana nacho chama cha Jubilee kina wati wa 3 yulu wajana. Nilivoti ya vilingi wa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.